A force that's reshaping industries, redefining jobs, and challenging what it means to be human. But the question is AI replacing us? Or is it just another tool at our disposal? Today, we dive deep into the future of AI tools and their impact on human jobs. This isn't just about technology, it's about the future of our society. AI is no longer just science fiction. It's writing emails, diagnosing diseases, driving cars, and even creating art. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to advanced tools like DeepSeek and ChatGPT, AI is everywhere. These tools aren't just assisting us, they're performing tasks once reserved for humans. The efficiency is undeniable, but at what cost? According to recent reports, millions of jobs are at risk of automation. Customer service, data entry, even some creative roles, all vulnerable to AI takeover. The reality is harsh. Jobs are disappearing. And those who don't adapt will be left behind. But it's not all doom and gloom. AI is also creating new opportunities: AI engineers, data analysts, digital creators. The demand for these skills is skyrocketing. Those who learn to harness AI won't be replaced, they'll be the ones in control. The future belongs to those who innovate. But at what cost? With great power comes great responsibility. Issues like data privacy, AI bias, and ethical concerns can't be ignored. If we don't regulate AI responsibly, we risk losing more than just jobs. We risk losing control. The future of AI isn't set in stone. It's up to us to shape it. AI is a tool, a powerful one. It can either replace us or empower us. The choice is ours. But one thing's certain: ignoring it is not an option. Are you ready to face the future?